privileged to be able to drive this car a few of the original 1,176 miles that it currently shows on the odometer. This car is still super nice to drive. Everything feels just as tight as day one when it left the factory. The only thing is, of course, these tires are 1994 Pirelli P0s that were put on during the OZ Racing Wheel ad campaign that this car took part of back in 1994. So, well, the tires still have very few miles on them. They're obviously over 30 years old and a little flat spotted, so we do get some vibration. With the exception of that, this car drives unbelievably well. Plenty of power out of a 3.3 stroker that Callaway built. These cars were good for over 420 horsepower back in the day and could go 175 miles an hour in top speed. The 6-speed manual feels great. It shifts just as you'd expect it. Synchros all feel great. Love this blue Callaway shift knob. Air conditioning and HVAC system works. Have the original Delco Bose stereo in here.
Remodeling, moving.
Everything works exactly as it should. Again, this car only has a little over 1,000 original miles on it, so a true time capsule. Steering feels nice and responsive. There's no play on either side of the steering, of course. The car tracks down the road pretty straight here. As you can see, maybe slight pull to the right, although that might be a little bit of the crest of the road. And again, you know, I'd recommend probably taking these original tires off and keeping them in the garage for collector's sake and putting a new nice set of tires on. You could really get out and then drive and enjoy this car. In fifth gear, we're at 1,500 RPMs at 45 miles an hour. Going around some corners here in the Callaway. We're obviously not going to push it much with the 1994 tires on it, but this car handles and drives great. It, of course, does have a Callaway tuned suspension and upgraded brakes underneath of it, so it holds the line of the road just as well as it'll flat out accelerate. There's about 60, and it effortlessly gets to 60, I can tell you. Guarantee you'll be the only one at a car show or a Radwood event with one. Thanks so much for watching just this quick test drive and walk around video. Again, this is Garrett over at Conquest Classic Cars. Feel free to give us a call at 970-573-5291. Thanks for watching.